You're currently making 3 to 5K a month and you already know about Bob Proctor. You already know about the law of attraction. You might have even read The Secret multiple times. But despite everything you studied, despite how hard you've been working, despite the courses, the coaches, the content that you've been consuming, your income just won't move and you're stuck in that same monthly range. I want to tell you something. That's not your fault, but it is your responsibility to change it. And I'm going to show you how. Now, this video isn't about surface level motivation. It's about real internal shifts that need to happen inside of you, in your subconscious mind, so you can unlock consistent 10K plus months with time freedom. That type of freedom where you can take days off, you can travel, you can be fully present with your family, and you can do all of this whilst your income is still flowing. So if you're tired of doing everything right and still stuck, keep watching. Let's break this down with brutal honesty, okay? Most entrepreneurs that are earning 3 to 5K a month are not beginners. You're not clueless. You've done the inner work. You've invested in yourself already. You've had wins. And you know you're capable of more. But you keep hitting that same invisible ceiling. One good month, then back to survival mode. A couple of new clients, then silence. It's like feast or famine, up and down. And that's not a marketing issue. That's not about needing better content. And that's not about working harder. It's a subconscious programming problem. It's your frequency. And until you shift that, no strategy is going to save you, because your subconscious mind is always running the show. It's your internal thermostat. So if your internal setting is stuck at 3 to 5K a month, you can land a big client, but then you're going to find a way to lose another one. You'll have lots of cash come into your business, then suddenly you'll get an unexpected expense, because that thermostat is going to keep dragging you back to that familiar zone. And that zone becomes your identity. This is just where I am. But what if you could reset that thermostat completely? You've been told to visualize, to affirm, to write your goal daily. And yeah, of course, those tools are incredibly powerful. I'm not denying that, but only if they're aligned with what your subconscious mind believes is possible. If you're visualizing 10K plus a month, but internally you still feel like a 3 to 5K a month earner, then your subconscious mind wins. This is why Bob Proctor always said that the law of attraction is a secondary law. The law of vibration is the primary law, because it's the vibration that you're in that is dictating what you attract, because you attract what you're in harmony with. Not what you want, not what you're hoping for, what you're in vibrational alignment with. So if your dominant vibration is anxiety and stress, oh my God, where's the next client coming from? Then guess what you attract? More of that energy, more inconsistency, more hustle, and more grind. And this is why most entrepreneurs stay stuck. They're doing the work externally, but broadcasting scarcity internally. I want you to think about this. You don't question whether the restaurant is going to bring your food after you order it, do you? You don't stand over the chef and see if he's preparing your meal right. And you don't ask the waiter every 3 minutes if your food is coming or not. You order it, you trust, and you prepare to receive it. And yet when it comes to money, business, goals, for some reason we all lose that trust. We place the order with the universe and then we constantly question it. Where is it? Why hasn't it shown up yet? What if it doesn't come? That energy, that doubt, that stress and that panic, that's what kills your manifestation. And I know fine well you would not act like that in a restaurant. So why act like that with your goals? You get what you're emotionally aligned with. You get what you expect. Not because you deserve it, because you're in harmonious vibration with it. And I live this. I used to make 15K a year and I couldn't break out of survival mode. I was doing affirmations, watching every YouTube video, reading every book, but I still felt like I was on the outside looking in, watching all these other people win while I stayed stuck. And then I found Bob Proctor's material. And when I say I went deep, I went deep. I invested in myself. I got mentorship. So I didn't just study the material, I embodied it. I started treating my self-image like it was a life or death situation, because it was. So I started showing up as the version of me that was already making 10, 20K a month. I changed how I walked, I changed how I dressed, I changed how I thought, and I changed how I felt. And I stopped begging the universe and started trusting it. And in 5 months, my income exploded from £15,000 a year to £18,000 a month. I literally turned my yearly income into a monthly income, and it's not stopped since. And I can tell you this for free. That money did not come from more hustle. It came from alignment. If anything, I worked less and I worked less than I ever have in my life. So how do you do this? Well, first, I want you to get really serious about your self-image. I want you waking up in the morning and ask yourself, what would the 5-figure a month me do today? How would that version of me think? How would that version of me feel? How would that version of me act today? And what decisions would that version of me make today? And I want you to get in the vibration of already making 5 figures a month. I want you to feel like you already have it. I want you to visualize and imagine that you already are a 5-figure a month earner, because that emotion creates a vibration and that vibration attracts the result. And also, I want you to be thankful. I want you to be grateful for these 10K plus months like you already have them. I want you to show gratitude, not just for what you've got, but also for what's coming. So start thanking the universe in advance. That's exactly how you build the frequency of inevitability. It has to happen. And I want you to repeat this daily. It's not a one and done thing. Paradigm shifts come through repetition. So I want you studying every single day. I want you writing your goal. I want you to become obsessed with your goal. I want you to feel like you already have your goal every single day. You don't just want the money. You want the time freedom. You want the mental peace. You want abundance in all areas of your life. You want to be the person that can take a week off and the money just still flows in. You want to be the person that can work just 3 days a week and still hits their income target. You want to be the person that creates from inspiration, not desperation. And that reality exists right now, but not on your current vibration. So your next level, that's going to require a frequency shift, not more effort, not more time, and new vibration. And if you're really serious about shifting your vibration and becoming the person that makes 10K plus every single month, then go to the pinned comment and book a free one-to-one call with me. I will show you exactly what to do. I've been trained by the best, Bob Proctor, and within 12 months, I have become top 1% of Bob Proctor's consultants worldwide. And we don't wonder if this works. We know this works. It's been tested. It's been tested and proven all over the world. Whether you're in Africa, whether you're in the USA, whether you where I am in England, this is universal laws. It means it works every single time for every single person if you follow the instructions. Now, my calendar is extremely busy, but you watching this, I really want to support you. So if you're really serious and committed, go to the pinned comment and book that call with me. Now, also remember, if you want fast results, you've got to take fast actions and you've got to make fast decisions. I mean, the universe loves speed. And that's when the universe starts coming onto your side, because then it realizes, hold on a minute, this person isn't just saying they want to make more money, they're actually doing something about it. Go and book that call and I'll see you on it.